editor. Challenges and roadblocks are a part of life. You must have to face it with all your pride, then only you will move ahead with your will. By achieving things that are on your mind, you will get a new thrill. Life is simple, so why complicate things? You know what you want from life? Leave things that they are on your mind. Leave everything which is behind. Just be as you are, and you will win. It's all about being in your own skin. Good morning to you. The end. A smile. It costs nothing, but means so much. It enriches those who receive it without improvising those that give it. It happens in a flash, but sometimes the memory lasts forever. None are so rich that they can get on without it, and none so poor but are the right for its benefits. It is rest to the weary, daylight to the encouraged, sunshine to the sad, and nature's best antidote in times of trouble. Yet, it cannot be bought, borrowed, or stolen, for it is something that is no earthly use to anyone, unless given away, of course. And, if in the rush of business a man is too tired to give you one, then leave one of yours, for no one needs a smile so much as those who have none to give. If I fail, if in my quest to achieve my goals I stumble or crumble and lose my soul, those that knew me would easily co-sign. There was never a life as hard as mine. No father, no money, no chance and no guide. I only follow my voice inside. If it guides me wrong and I do not win, I'll learn from my mistakes and try to achieve again. Fire and ice. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with this who favor fire. But if it had a purge twice, I think I know enough of heat to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. All the world's a stage, and all the men purely players. They have their exits and their entries, and one man in his time plays many parts. His acts even 7 stages. Powerful. It may not be a measure of physical strength or size. Instead, it is an inner strength that shows within your eyes. So much determination, so much want and drive. The spirit of enjoyment that shows you're alive. You might not always see it, but it's there deep inside. It just might take some coaching to bring forth that strength and pride. Each of us can be powerful. We have to know it true, to let free our power, to do what we must do. Until it's time. The moments that we treasure when its time is drawing near, comforting our emotions as we embrace our fear. So much left unspoken, the seconds tick away, sharing the emotions and words you wish you said. Maybe words aren't needed, perhaps they never were. A hug will do most nicely when strong emotions air. Hellos are so much easier, you barely have to try, but you don't really appreciate it until it's time for goodbye. Victory. What is it you dream of? How far will you go? To show the world your greatness so everyone will know. Will you go the distance? Will you go the price? Learning all the lessons and heeding good advice. There are no good guarantees, no tricks, and no sure thing. There's simple strength and passion that define what hope may bring. It's when it comes together, the perfect turn of fate, when strength pushes us forward to enter victory's gate. A dream within a dream. Take this kiss upon the brow, and in parting from you now, thus much let me avow, you are not wrong who deem that my days have been a dream. Yet if hope is flown away, in a night or in a day, in a vision or in none, is it therefore the less gone? All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream? I stand amid the roar of a surf-tormented shore, and I hold within my hand grains of the golden sand. How few, yet how they creep through my fingers to the deep. While I weep, oh God, can I not grasp them with a tighter clasp? Oh God, can I not save one from the pitiless wave? Is all that we see or seem but a dream within a dream?